Sometimes without your permission someone may try to unlock your smartphone. But even after failed attempts you will not know who tried to unlock your phone. In this video we will be telling about one application that will help you to know who tried to unlock your smartphone. For this you need to install one application. App name is Crookcatcher. App link is given in the description. You can download it from there. Anyways, after installing this application, open this application. When you are opening this application for the first time, you can see a page like this. Here you can see Start Setup. Click on Start Setup. When you are clicking on that, you can see one option Activate Now. Click on Activate Now. When you are clicking on that, you will reach a page like this. Here you can see one option Activate this device admin app. When you are clicking on that, you can see one warning message. Down here you can see one box. Tick in this box, and after that down here you can see OK button. Click on this OK button. Now this app is activated. Now here you can see picture trigger option. What that means is that if anyone is trying to unlock your smartphone, after a specific number of failed attempts, your smartphone will take photo of that person. Here you can see one option failed unlock attempts. Click on this. Here it is set to 1. If you want you can set it to 2, 3, 4 or 5. Anyways, I am setting it to 1. After that down here you can see next button. Click on this next button. Here they are asking for camera permission. You need to give camera permission. Turn on this. When you are clicking on that you can see a pop-up message like this. Click on while using the app. After that you need to give location permission also. You need to turn this on. When you are turning it on you can see one option while using the app. Click on while using the app. After that click OK. Here you should change this to allow all the time. Otherwise this app will not work. If you have not enabled location service, you need to enable location services. Just click on OK. After that, you need to give email permission. Turn this on. And when you are clicking on that, you can see authenticate option. Click on authenticate. After that, select the email ID. For example, I am selecting this email ID and click OK. When you are clicking on that, you can see a pop-up message like this. Down here, you can see allow button. Click on allow. This enable notification should be turned on. After that, in next page you can see try it now. Now everything is set. After this, if anyone is trying to open your smartphone, this app will take photo of them. So you can see who is trying to unlock your phone. If anyone is trying to unlock your smartphone with wrong password, here you can see one option. Click on this option and here you can see their photo. If they are unlocking with wrong password, this phone will take photo of them. And in this application there are so many features. If you want to record sound, you can record sound, and sound alarm option is there. Or if you want to show fake home screen, you can do that also. But they are pro features. For that you need to be a pro member. If you lost this device and you need to know correct location of this phone, you can find that in this application. But what I recommend is, for that you can use Find My Device settings in your Android smartphone. That is official settings from Google. It's better to use that. Anyways, if you want to take picture, you can use this application. So this way you can take photo of person who is trying to unlock your smartphone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.